Welcome to Rural Connect, a platform where we bridge the digital divide and bring the wonders of rural life closer to you. Imagine exploring vibrant local cultures, discovering hidden gems, and connecting directly with the heartbeat of rural communities, all in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the key functionalities of Rural Connect, showcasing how it enhances accessibility and creates a meaningful impact. Welcome to the landing page of Rural Connect. The key features are community and joining areas. We have Google Translation API, which makes our website available in many regional languages such that a large audience can use it. Seeing how it works area where we have mentioned how people should use our website to the fullest and be benefited by it. Going back towards our landing page, it's time that we get started with exploring Rural Connect, a login and sign up page where we have multiple roles for the users, a traveler profile, and a guides. Let's explore a traveler profile, visiting the marketplace. This marketplace connects the people to directly the rural areas workers or artisans. For example, let's search something organic. We have organic wild honey. Along with it, I'm going to add another item, a basket, and then we can check out. Simply for billing details, some sample detail, and Rural Connect is a decentralized platform. That means we use blockchain payment. We are using a MetaMask account, copying the address, and then I can simply paste my blockchain wallet address. As I place the order, the MetaMask pop-up is shown. We can simply confirm and our order will be placed with a confirmation area. Now, as a traveler, I'll go and explore my dashboard, what it holds for me. So, let's book a tour. The main purpose of Rural Connect is basically have the traveler connected to a guide that is a localite of an area traveler wants to visit without any intermediator such that distributing the payments. As you can see, I have filled a form where a friend's trip to Kashmir. Well, it is not happening in real life, but let's say we are going with friends. That is going to be Dal Lake. Any different kind of descriptions or needs I want to be satisfied. So I have added two locations and then let's book the tour. As our tour is booked successfully, as we go towards our guide's profile, on the guide's dashboard, he can see the visits and the Kashmir is updated. The guide can go, save the trip, and accept the request. As the request is accepted, the message is popped up to the traveler because traveler has to make the final decision to accept the guide. It is Jatin from Medak who is going as a guide for us. Now there's a milestone setup. I can set up how many milestones I want. Like if I divide my trips in 5 parts, there are 5 milestones. Currently, I'm using just 2, where first is Dal Lake and second milestone is my rose garden. I have their respected dates and the price which I want to pay for each one. As we can save the milestone, there's again a pop-up. As I try to pay, the payment is failed just because there's a negative number which is not applicable in MetaMask internal features. Always the payment is positive. As we set it up, confirm it, the transaction is successful. So now you can see 2 transactions have been made for both the milestones separately. For guides, we have our center where there are different kinds of courses they can do, which will be provided by the government to empower them more. Here also, we are using blockchain entirely. For example, let's say account 1 is a government's account where there are 22 USDs for now. As I go and start the enrollment, pay the required fee for the course, we'll see again we have a pop-up to confirm the payment. Now, if we visit the accounts again, we can see the amount has increased to 25. That means the amount is directly received using the smart contract. Exploring Gramin Vittaya means the loan available for the rural areas. Here, we are going to specify the loans that people are applicable for and how much easier it is for them to access them. Simply, we will be collaborating with banks, and now rural area people can online submit the application for the loan. As the application is submitted, the rest of process will happen itself. These are the major features of Rural Connect. Also, as a guide, I have completed my course. Now, how it is useful? I can add that course into my skills. For example, a different kind of course I did was UPI pay for UPI payments. Then I can simply connect my wallet, choose the file or a screenshot of my course completion, and add the skill simply. As the skill is added, we can see the guide will have more skills, so he will be preferred more. Going back towards our landing page, we have our AI chatbot. This assistant is going to help people and provide a 24 by 7 customer support. And that is it about Rural Connect. Connecting rural areas using technologies such as AI and ML and blockchain. Thank you.